Welcome back, trading friends, to a farm in Northland in the middle of nowhere on a very rainy and cold and wet day. Just thought I'd play a little bit of Steve Maro's webinar that I watch frequently. He is a genius, a 25-year trading trainer and legend, and we'll show you a little bit of his theory around the market makers and how they move the markets and trap the retail traders, and then go on their counter trends and how we can trade in line with them. And at the very end of it, this very short clip, he basically says we can turn ourselves into pretty much crystal ball gazers and have a very high prediction rate when it comes to the market makers' activity. So we'll show you that, and then I'll show you last night's trade that I did with the micro euro contract, which is a futures contract. Same applies to foreign exchange. In fact, my wife traded the exact same setup, just using foreign exchange. So yeah, we'll have a quick look at that, and then you can see for yourself how it works. Cheers.
There's your entry. Stop loss is right here outside the range. We'll talk about this. Still, stop loss. Just understand that's where it goes. Okay? When the high of the day holds after the things that you need to see are there, okay, let's see. Let's back up now, okay? 5 p.m. Do I got to do this? 5 p.m. high-low reset. Boom, boom, boom. Trade in the range. Widen the spread. Between 1 and 4 a.m., you have your vector times 3. 1 push, 2 push, 3 pushes to form the high of the day. Same for the low of the day. It can be 1 candle straight up in 15 minutes, an aggressive move towards the stops. It could be in 3 candles. It could be in 7 candles. When they do it in multiple candles, this is how they do it. They'll go up, break the high, trade sideways within it. Hang out there, hit it again. And then maybe tap it again. And then reverse. Same thing. The only difference is they added 45 minutes in the middle to piss you off, confuse you, because they were accumulating contracts and seeing what happened. Okay? They could do the second candle, not take out the high. Let's say this candle was like this, and then trade inside here, and then hit it one more time. The last tap is always mild. The last tap is always mild before they make the reversal. Why? Just enough to not spend any more money than they have to, but to pick up the stops and grab the orders on the other side. Understand, there's some type of money sitting right here, right? So when they come back in, they just go up there like this and grab it and turn right back around. And they say, sorry about your day. They really don't even, not that polite. They don't even say that. But that's how they grab the orders. Now, you get the revert. Our entrance is here. They shift the zone in 1 bar, 15-minute, nice 15-minute drop. All these traders in this structure are jammed now for the cycle. When they shift the zone in a big 25-pip move, that causes the panic, the lift the stops, the quick turn on the news. Where's CNBC? Let me kick my dog. I can't believe I'm down again. That causes all those emotions and behaviors, and it makes you start to think irrationally. Okay, that's where and how they handle that to make retail traders do that stuff. To make the bad decisions, to lift their stop loss, to do stupid things with their equity. And the bottom line is they end up pocketing it. That's their job. If you understand this is coming, then your job is to wait for this structure to develop and trade it. If you understand the second pass is coming, then your job is to have the perseverance and the patience to wait for the second pass and trade the second pass. I can tell you that if you become proficient identifying the M's and W's and wait for the second pass, you will be 10 out of 10 for the week. The discipline lies in waiting for that, and I can't teach you that. I can teach you what to look for and how to see it. I can't teach you to sit on your hands until it develops. I can't teach you to be patient until that triggers. That's on you. I can show you exactly what these guys do, like a roadmap to success. It's up to you if you get on the path and follow it. I want that for all of you. Once you understand and start seeing this stuff, you can literally telegraph what these guys are going to do and project the market, and you look like a crystal ball guru.
Okay, so let's have a look at last night's trading. Following Steve Morrow's strategy, you can see here that in the Tokyo session, there was a bit of a consolidation period here. That's what I kind of hang out for, and then I look for that M pattern to form. So the price went up to the high of the day here, then it pulled back, and then it came up, didn't hit that high, and then we got a massive reversal that I trade right up to the start of the New York session. So I get out about midnight. So that was a fantastic trade last night. You can clearly see this M pattern, and it's that high of the day formation that we're looking for. And yeah, it works a charm.